Alright, it's August 2nd, 2017. Me and Zach here about to go hit this lake on Fort Bragg. Right now we're doing a little bit off-road to get there. You know, there's little ponds in the back where nobody can get to, or where the lunkers are at. So hopefully we'll have a good day today.
Oh yeah, we've never fished out here before. So hopefully we get some. It's about 70 degrees, about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's been a little bit cooler here recently, so we're expecting to actually get some bites out here today. So we'll see what happens. I'm trying really hard to bust my toe over here, bro. All right, I'm gonna kind of start right here, man. What do you think? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Got me one. There we go, boys. That's how we start the day right there. All right. That's a real baby right there, but start off the day using the old Zara puppy. See if I can't get this little bad boy back in the water. It's the old Zara puppy that I'm using right here in the Bullfrog color. Been out here for about 5 minutes. That's how you get the day started right there. Let's see if he has any friends. I'm trying to walk over to that dock. I might have to cross through the water a little bit, but you got to go where the lunkers lurk. Malachy, you coming with? Mm-hmm. Right on. Hopefully we don't get kicked off for doing this, but it's worth it if we catch something. Not worth it if we don't catch something. Oh, too easy right there. All right, and we're on. Oh, this looks sketchy as crap.
Woo! Yeah, it's a record. Look at that little smallmouth bass. Using a little Senko with a little weighted hook. Ooh, end up tearing his mouth up. There you go, little buddy. Hope you heal up fast. Now Texas rigging my little Senko, little weight, using the Lew's Mach 2 combo, the rod and reel. Little 7-foot medium heavy action rod.
Ooh, Malachy got one. Did you hit record? Atta baby. All right. So we're just gonna fish this for a minute. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Atta baby. Still getting them on the top water. Yeah, boys. Little baby again on the Zara puppy. There we go. Hey, I just went to top water and got one. Yeah. Did you catch yours? Did you land it? Yeah. Nice.
Alright, YouTubers, had a good day of fishing today. Went out to a local lake. Maybe went to some areas we probably weren't supposed to be fishing at, but you know, you gotta go to some of those off-premise areas to catch the lunkers. Caught a few fish. We'll go ahead and edit that out for you. Like I said, it's my buddy Zach, our buddy Drew couldn't be with us today. We're in my garage today, so please excuse the mess. We just got back, it's kind of hot. I get ready for work, and you know, like and subscribe.